there, Oscar here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the UNI USB-C to SD or MicroSD card reader. I just picked up this from Amazon and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Here is what we have in the box. We have the actual UNI card reader. It's made out of metal, feels very good. USB-C. We have a very nice carrying pouch. Some information, how to use it, very simple, and a discount card, and that's pretty much it. If you guys own a Mac, the problem that the Mac have, they're amazing computers, but they only include 2 USB-Cs. And if you fly drones or if you're trying to read micro SD cards or regular SD cards, you don't have that option at this time, or you don't have the option anymore. Therefore, you have to pick up something like this. Currently, you could go ahead and get something like this on Amazon for $12.99 with free shipping and a 5% discount card that you can clip on Amazon. Once again, thanks for watching, and this is a quick unboxing. Thank you.